Good morning to one and all present here. Today, I, Priyanju Luria, along with my friend Partha Gupta of class 10th of St. International School, are here in front of to describe a prototype of Youth India quiz for the event Code Decode. Now, before we describe a prototype to you, we first would know what is Python. AI, artificial intelligence, is a simulation of human intelligence processed by machines, especially computer systems. Specific applications of AI include expert systems, natural language processing, speech recognition, and machine version. Now my friend Sarthak will explain you further.
As we all know that due to lockdown, the children are not able to focus on their studies and are bored sitting at home with no fun. So me and my friend have developed a prototype application to solve this problem. We have developed not only a fun app but also it will provide learning material to the children by taking quiz. It can also help the teachers by providing a learning aid as teachers can share it with their students for practice. If we get a chance to take this quiz to the next level, we will add speech to text feature which will help to save the user's time. It will work like when the user will say their name or class, it will automatically get typed. We will also try to make this quiz with with more different levels and make the quiz on different topics and also make it for the junior classes. As the quiz we have made, it is only for the higher level classes. We will also make a voice bot quiz, like the voice bot will ask the question and give options, and the user will have to answer the question. So, I think now is the time to test our prototype application. So, when I will run the code, the voice bot will come and it will say that you have to register yourself to play the quiz.
Welcome player. Please register yourself to play the quiz.
And I have to fill the following details. When I will click on the register button, it will show a message box that are you sure you want to register yourself for quiz, because we have added this option so that if the user might have clicked this button by mistake, so we want to take the confirmation of the user first, and the voice assistant will come again and tell us what are the instructions for the quiz.
Thanks for registering yourself. Instructions for the quiz are: there are 3 levels in the quiz. In each level there are 5 a question. Each question is of 5 marks and there is no negative marking. In order to pass every level you have to answer minimum 3 questions correctly. The first level of the quiz is based on the basics of Python.
So when I will click on the correct option, then the voice assistant will say that you have that correct answer. But if I had marked the wrong answer, then it would say nothing. So it is an indicator. I have now only added for it for one question, but when it will be finalized, I will add it for all the questions.
Correct answer.
So now I will click on the get result button and it will tell that I had qualified for the next level or not. If I had got less than 15 marks, then it would show please revise your syllabus and then play the quiz again. So now with the help of next button I will go on the next level of the quiz.
The second level of the quiz is based on basic questions of maths.
So as you have heard that the voice assistant have already told, this is the second level and it is based on the mathematics. The same procedure has been repeated here for the get result and for the next button.
The third level of the quiz is based on basic questions of science.
So as you have heard, the voice assistant has told that it is the third level and it is based on basics of science.
Great player. You have qualified all the levels of the quiz.
So the voice assistant has again come and told us that I had won all the levels of the quiz. I hope that you have enjoyed the quiz after watching it. Thank you.
Thank you. Hope you like our prototype.
Thank you.